Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Airpods model supports Find My and that your iPhone is updated. Pair the Airpods to your device now. Go to Settings, right arrow Bluetooth, and tap the info icon to verify connection. Once done, enable location services and open Settings, right arrow your name, right arrow Find My, then turn on Find My iPhone and Share My Location. This links devices to your Apple ID and enables background location reporting, critical for real-time tracking and lost. Next, you add Airpods to the Find My ecosystem and enable the network. Open the Find My app and confirm your Airpods appear under Devices or Items. If they do not, place them in the case and reconnect. Turn on Use Find My Network so other Apple devices can help relay location. This improves range and accuracy. Make sure Notify when left behind is active, and test Play Sound to verify proximity alerts. This combination gives both remote location updates and immediate on-site cues. Finally, locate and secure the Airpods. Open Find My and use the map view for the last seen location, then tap directions to navigate there. If you can't reach them, mark the Airpods as lost to lock them and display your contact info on a found device. If tracking fails, troubleshoot, confirm Airpods battery level, Bluetooth is on, and your iPhone is signed into the same iCloud. Make sure iOS is current and retry. Often a restart and repair resolves intermittent visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.